celebrating? We're celebrating a man that, listen, I remember first meeting him, and everybody, everywhere we go, hey Mike, Dobbins, what's up? Hey Dobbins, what's up? I'm like, this man is a star. I like this. And I remember we used to ride around Memphis, and I said, ride with the legend. And he was like, you know what? That's my DJ name, Legendary Mike Dobbins. And why do we call him a legend? Let me tell you this. This is the reason why. Because you know when it comes to a legend don't follow. They don't follow the rules. They make their own. And that's exactly what this man is all about. Now I remember when he found out that I could blow that saxophone. Now, which I don't know where y'all at. I could blow the saxophone. He said, they're gonna take you to the studio. I'm like, what? I was shocked. Like, to the studio to do what? He said, we're gonna record this stuff. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I was stirred. But let me tell you something. When you're working with a legend, you don't need no booking agent. You don't need no industry execs. You don't need anything but somebody with passion, patience, and a little bit of energy to get this thing rolling. And that's what it is, y'all. It's been how many years? Almost 20. Oh my goodness. Long time. Man became my manager. My man became my manager. I've been rolling. And I want to thank him for that because that's what it's all about. Somebody that's in your corner. Somebody that's going to be there to support you. And I'm so glad because I'm female on this road. Y'all, it ain't nothing to play with. And that man, he done been bodyguard. Yeah. He done been writer of music. Yeah. This one right here. And I just want to say to you tonight, baby,